Hello everybody, welcome back to another Chat GPT tutorial. This is free AI, it's free at the moment. I'm going to show you how to translate anything into another language. And this, I'm going to give you an example, pardon me. Let's go here. I've got this storyboard for a summary of Macbeth, and it's all in French. And here it is, and I can read part of it. I took French up to grade 11. What I've done is I've selected all of the parts that I want to be translated. I'm going to hit Command-C on a Mac, Control-C on a PC, so I've copied it, and then now I go to Chat or Chat GPT. Do note that you want to go to chat.openai.com. I'll put a link below if you haven't been here before, and also it will ask you to sign up if you haven't logged in before, so just keep that in mind. The next step, however, is I'm going to type into the search bar here, or the translate bar. Oops, I'm just going to type it in, translate into English, and then I'm going to hit the open quotation mark, and then I'm going to Command V or Control V to copy it in, and then I'm going to put an end quotation and hit enter. When I do that, it's going to give it to me in English. This can be done for any language. You can do it in about 40 seconds. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.